Hi, I'm Varun Mehta, and I'm a co-founder and the VP of Engineering at Nimble Storage. And I'm here to discuss our technology that we call Castle. Now, in 2007, when we were getting started, there were three new pieces of technology that emerged, and we were able to build upon that. The three pieces of technology were flash in the form of SSDs, solid-state drives. Then we had multi-terabyte hard drives, and then multi-core CPUs. And each of these brought some really good value to the IT stack. And what we did was build this file system called Cache Accelerated Sequential Layout from the ground up to take advantage of these three new technologies. And we were able to provide innovations in both capacity, performance, data protection, and scalability. And I'll describe how we did that. Now, if you look at the traditional stack versus the Nimble storage stack, you'll see there's a big difference. Actually, the Nimble storage stack is a lot simpler. On the top level, we have applications, and these are a lot of virtual machines running lots of different kinds of apps. Then we have, for storage, a performance silo in the traditional stack and a capacity silo, and the two don't directly talk to each other. Somebody's got to manage data movement between them. There's a backup stack, which is on-site backup, and people like to keep 2 or 3 months of backup here. And then there's an off-site DR. And so in the traditional system, there's this management between the capacity and performance stacks. There's the backup window that you have to deal with here, which takes 12 hours or sometimes all weekend long. And then there's disaster recovery, which also is very cumbersome with the existing system, and which can take days sometimes. Now, what we did at Nimble was we used a small layer of flash on top of a very large layer of disk. And we give the impression through Castle that the entire application is running out of flash at very, very high speed. But for protection, what we do is we compress the data as it comes in, and then we can take very efficient snapshots that live on the high-capacity disk. So you get the benefits of both high performance and high capacity. And you can take snapshots for protection in a very simple way, very quick, non-disruptive. And what it does is allow you also to replicate very quickly off-site. And if there's a disaster, all you have to do is boot your replicas directly off this off-site device. So we have acceleration of your apps, high performance, very good manageability because we integrate deeply with major apps like VMware and Microsoft, and we have a much simpler infrastructure. So combining all of these, we can bring a lot of efficiency to your overall storage infrastructure. Thanks.